described, whether many years ago or recently, involved harm to a woman whose story remains unknown. Violence does not lose its gravity with time. A possible survivor or her family may be living with unanswered questions. If nothing happened, the public needs clarity, grounded in professional investigations. What the chair has just told me in the response. Madam Speaker, do you know we have what is appearing in textbook, in structures in government, but not the reality on the ground. I mean, this country needs something like Magufuli style or Karissa Maitha, where you just take the bull by the horn and do something about it. Just this week, there's been a disturbing TikTok video of teenage boys harassing women in broad daylight, grabbing them, slapping them, dragging them, schoolgirls into videos without their consent. Why? Because they're looking for likes. That is sexual harassment. What are we doing about it? Madam Speaker, as I said, we are in the 16 days of activism against gender-based violence. There is Rita Mweni, Roysambu, Starlet Wahu, South B, Mary Wangui, Kasarani, Christine Soeta, Kakamega, Brenda, an MKU student in Thika, Irene Ayemba, and then there's Abigail. Abigail, here in Kasarani. Now I want you to listen to this because you always interrogate Interior, okay? When Abigail's mother called recently and asked, what is the status of the investigation on my daughter? This is what the police told her. Wait, we have other cases. And then here you're telling me that we have structures and we are doing what is necessary, we are giving counseling, we're investigating. No, we are failing, okay? Honorable Speaker, no parent should have to hear that, wait, we have other cases. It is a reflection that the system is overstretched, it's under-resourced, and at times lacking in compassion. The Models Association has come to me and said they work in fear. They walk in fear. And I will be arranging for them during this period of 16 days of activism, not by bringing a question here anymore, but by taking them to the PS of Interior, to the DIG and the DCI. I've actually spoken to the DCI personally and told him, we need a human heart, we need compassion, we need to do something more than just say this is a case or a file.
Honorable Passaris, eh?
No, Madam Speaker.
I'm being magnanimous, eh?
Yes.
Because you started with talking about the 16 days of activism.
Yes.
But I would like you to specifically go to this matter that you had raised.
Yes.
So that the chair, if you are satisfied by the response that has been given, specifically on this one.
Yeah, but Madam Speaker, when it comes to this one, Pastor Nganga had already went to the DCI. He recorded questions. They're coming back to me on whether the AI clip is